How to get a New Jersey state ID. Getting a standard non-driver identification card in New Jersey through the Motor Vehicle Commission requires satisfying specific residency and identity requirements using the state's strict 6-point ID verification system. To qualify for a non-driver ID, you must be a resident of New Jersey and at least 14 years old. Before heading to a facility, you need to gather original or certified documents across 4 main categories: primary identity documents, worth at least 4 points; secondary identity documents, worth 1 to 3 points; proof of your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number; and proof of New Jersey residential address. If you are ineligible for an SSN or ITIN, the state allows you to submit a signed affidavit declaring your status instead. To complete the application process, begin by collecting your documents, ensuring they total at least 6 points, alongside your proof of address and SSN, ITIN status, making sure that your full name matches across every item. Next, fill out the standard application for permit, license, or non-driver ID form, which can be downloaded in advance or picked up in person. Once your paperwork is organized, book an appointment through the official NJ MVC online portal under the Initial Licensing category. On the day of your appointment, bring all original documents, your completed application form, and payment for the $24 card fee to the chosen licensing center. An agent will verify your paperwork, take your photo, and process your payment. After completing these steps, your physical standard ID card will be mailed directly to your residential address within 20 business days. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.